Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a Vercel account, project access, and deploy privileges. Once done, open the project settings and enable analytics so Vercel begins collecting data. Make sure to choose server-side or edge collection depending on your app. This affects accuracy and latency. Next, link your repo or install the Vercel CLI locally to trigger deployments that include analytics instrumentation. This immediate action gets raw data flowing and primes the dashboard for the next configuration steps. Now instrument your site. Install the Vercel Analytics snippet or apply the built-in integration for Next. JS, Nuxt, or other frameworks. This records real user metrics automatically. Once integrated, configure sampling rates and retention to balance cost and fidelity, and set environment filters to exclude internal traffic. After adjusting settings, deploy to a staging branch and test core user journeys. Watch for page view, LCP, FID, and custom events. If metrics appear, you're ready to refine alerts and dashboards in the next step. Finish by creating dashboard widgets and alerts focused on LCP, CLS, FID, and error rates so you get notified about regressions. Once satisfied on staging, promote the analytics configuration to your production branch and monitor for a full traffic window to validate trends. If you see missing or incomplete data, check common problems: CORS headers, ad blockers blocking the script, or incorrect script loading order. Also ensure sampling isn't excluding traffic. Adjust sampling or test with direct requests to validate collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.